Hello everyone. In this lecture, we'll see type 1 for particular integral of the form e raised to ax divided by f of d. So here I have taken what here? Here our phi of x is nothing but e raised to ax. So that is right hand side of our differential equation. So here what happened? Phi of x is e raised to x. To get this form, so I can say that pi, which is also nothing but yc, so e raised to ax divided by f of d. So here what happened? So coefficient of x, what we have, that is here we have a, so that is going to replace by d here. So in the given below, so this is a differential equation. In this differential equation we have to replace, instead of d we have to replace what here? A. So therefore d is replaced by a. So if you replace d replaced by a, our pi will become e raised to ax divided by f of a, but condition is what here, where f of a should not equal to 0. If f of a will become 0, so value upon 0 will be infinity, so it is what here again meaningless. If suppose f of a is becoming 0, if f of a becomes 0, that is equal to 0, then what we have to do here? We have to differentiate the given f of d. Fine. So we have to differentiate f of d and we have to get it. So therefore what happens here? So pi will become, that is e raised to ax divided by f of d. So we need to go for what here? X into e raised to ax divided by f dash of a. Means we have to differentiate, then we have to replace what here? D by a. So condition is what here? Where f of a, f dash of a should not equal to 0. So this condition is important. If suppose if f dash of a is also becoming 0, then we have to double differentiate the f of d, or what here, take double dash, means a differentiation of what here again f dash of a. Then what happens? So pi will become what here? That is e raised to ax divided by f of d will become, we need to multiply one more x. So x square into e raised to ax divided by f double dash of a. So provided f double dash of a should not equal to 0, and the process will be continued. If we go for next one more, so at that time we have to go for x cube and f triple dash of a, and the process will be continued till we get what here? A specific result here. So and so on I will write, and so on. So just see that the case we have to solve till we get what here? A final solution. So we'll have one of the important note here now. So the above result is holds good for the following function, that is result number 1. So you can go for e raised to ax plus b form. So at that time only we have to take the coefficient of x, that is a value we have to replace in place of what here? D. So and so any constant k, any constant k, as we can write, any constant k as we can write, k is equal to, means in place of k we can write it as k into e raised to 0x. So at that time, means any number is there equal to 2, 3, 4, any number comes, at that time for example, I can write it here. So if phi of x is equal to 2, then we can write this 2 as 2 into e raised to 0 into x. So therefore we can replace d by 0, that is the value of a. So similarly, case number means note number 3 here. So remember this, very important, a raised to x formula we are going to use as e raised to log of a into x. Okay, so a raised to x, a will take any constant values like 2 raised to x, 3 raised to x, 5 raised to x. So at that time it will become e raised to a into x. So that formula we are going to use. So which is also nothing but, so this is also nothing but what here, we can write this one as e raised to bx, where b is nothing but log of a. So but instead of that, you better remember this formula and we can go for following condition here. Means, so result 1 is very important, means here note number 1, 2 and 3 are very important for the simplification. So next, fourth case we'll see here, that is fourth note. So here we'll get some results like, means our phi of x will be, that is right hand side result of the differential equation will be in the form of sine hyperbolic of angle ax. So the result will be for this 1 by 2 times sine of hyperbolic of ax is equal to 1 by 2 times e raised to ax minus e raised to minus ax. Means it will convert to what here, e raised to ax form, exponent form. So this one result, and another one is what here, if cos hyperbolic of ax will be 1 by 2 times e raised to ax plus e raised to minus ax. So these are the two very important results we have to remember when or phi of x will become what here, sine hyperbolic or cos hyperbolic. So at that time we are going to use this. So with the help of this, just I want to show one of the illustrative example. So how to apply this type number 1. So we'll see one of the illustrative example, how the example is going to work out. So first example I will take e raised to x divided by d square plus 3d plus 2, that is phi of x divided by f of d form. So for this, what we have to do here, replace d equal to, in the denominator d is equal to coefficient of x. So coefficient of x is 1 here, so replace d is equal to 1. So what happens to this? So therefore this will be, I will consider as pi is equal to this e raised to x as it is. So d will be replaced by 1, means 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus 2. So therefore e raised to x divided by 1 square is 1 plus 3 into 1 is 3 plus 2. So which is nothing but e raised to x upon 6. So this is nothing but the particular integral. Similarly, one more example, testing example I will show here. So e raised to 3x plus 4 divided by d cube plus d square plus d plus 1. So this is one more example. So here, so replace the coefficient of x is 3 here. So d is equal to 3. Replace d is equal to 3. You don't worry what is 4 and all. Just replace the coefficient of x. So it is 3. So therefore what happens here, e raised pi is equal to e raised to 3x plus 4 divided by d cube plus d square plus d plus 1 is equal to, so it is going to replace d equal to 3 will be e raised to 3x plus 4 divided by d cube means 3 cube plus 3 square plus 3 plus 1. So which will be on simplification, so e raised to 3x plus 4 divided by, if you simplify this, we'll get 40. So like that we have to go for the simplification of particular integral here. Next, one more example, trial example I will take here. So for third one, so e raised to minus 2x divided by d square plus 4d plus 4. So we'll see here. So how we are going to get a pi for this. So pi is equal to e raised to minus 2x divided by d square plus 4d plus 4. So this is the required here. So down. So replace. So for this we have to replace what here? D is equal to coefficient of x is minus 2. So on replacement, so particular integral will become e raised to minus 2x divided by d square plus 4d plus 4 will become e raised to minus 2x divided by, if you replace d is equal to what here? Minus 2. So minus 2 square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 4. So which will be e raised to minus 2x divided by minus 2 whole square will become 4. So 4 into minus 2 will be minus 8 plus 4. So you can see that e raised to minus 2x divided by 4 plus 4 is 8 minus 8. So you can observe here denominator is becoming what here? 0. If denominator is becoming 0, so we have to differentiate this denominator, then we have to apply the value of d is equal to minus 2 once again. Let's see now. So therefore pi will become e raised to minus 2x divided by, so differentiation of d square plus 4d plus 4, we have differentiate with respect to d, so it will become 2d, differentiation of d square is 2d, plus differentiation of 4d is 4, plus differentiation of 4 is 0, that is e raised to minus 2x divided by 2d plus 4. Now we need to again replace d is equal to coefficient of x, that is minus 2 here. So what happens? E raised to minus 2x divided by, if you apply, so 2 into minus 2 plus 4, so which is nothing but e raised to minus 2x divided by minus 4 plus 4. So again here you can see that denominator is becoming again 0. So but once you differentiate, so we need to go for, we have to multiply x here. So if you differentiate one time, we need to multiply 1x here. So this is very important. So but again denominator is becoming 0. So therefore we have to differentiate this again. So therefore pi is equal to, keep this x as it is. So again we have to differentiate the denominator, that is denominator is what here? 2d, means this we have to keep this x as differentiation of 2d plus 4 will become 2 into differentiation of 1 is d is 1 plus differentiation of 4 is 0, but we need to multiply one more x, so x into x will become x square, and here e raised to minus 2x as it is. So therefore here it will become x square into e raised to minus 2x divided by 2 into 1 is 2. So therefore here denominator is completely constant, so no need of to apply what here? D is equal to minus 2 and all. So therefore the pi will be, so x square e raised to minus 2x upon 2 is the pi here. So in this way we need to go for what here? Type 1, that is e raised to ax upon f of d form. So let's see the particular examples based on this type.